Guys, whatever you say, Aizen is the most baddest villain compared to any anime. Even Madara. One strategy. Aizen's mind games with Kyoka Suigetsu make him untouchable. Madara has battle IQ, but he relies more on raw power. 2. Charisma. Madara inspires fear through dominance. Aizen, on the other hand, manipulates everyone into serving him without even realizing it. 3. Power. Madara controls meteors, Susanoo, and the Ten Tails. Aizen literally transcends into a higher being and evolves mid-battle. 4. Villain impact. Madara changed the entire shinobi world. Aizen shook the balance of Soul Society and even challenged the Soul King's order. 5. Endurance. Both are almost unkillable, but Aizen's immortality from the Hogyoku gives him an insane edge.